Hey everybody, Chef Anthony here. Today I'm talking about the Wolf Wall Oven. Specifically, we're focusing on the Gourmet Center. We're going to show you how to cook a pork loin seamlessly, nice and easy. So we're going to run right to Gourmet, and then it'll highlight where we're at. We're going to highlight the meat, okay? Then we're going to highlight pork, okay? Right, now we're going to go right to the tenderloin because we're doing the pork tenderloin. It'll hit done like this, and then it'll give us a kind of an overview of what's going to happen. No preheat required. Make sure we're on rack position 3. The probe in the thickest part, then it's going to convection roast at 400 till an internal temp of 155 and rest. So now's the time we'll open up our oven. Really check the numbers on the side here. So I already adjusted the oven rack, so we're on 3 right here. Here's number 3. I put our glide rack out here. I already connected our roast probe right here to the top left in the wall oven, okay? And now we'll bring in our roast probe. We have our pork tenderloins here, okay? And now here's the part, that can happen. We want to put it in the thickest part. So we want to put it right in here, thickest part of the meat, ready to rock and roll. I know we got a nice, good connection. So we'll close the oven door like that, rock it, and we'll just hit start right here, okay? And then here's the key feature, all right? We want to see it roasting. Internal temp of the roast probe and the oven temperature are going to jog back and forth. So we know that pork loin is 79 degrees. It's going to preheat to 400, and it's going to be 155 degrees at the end. So really all we have to do is hit the light and go. Okay, everybody, you hear that ding right there. Look, we are at temp, 155 right here. We hit the target temp. Now it's gonna cool down. It's 1 o'clock now, so it was probably in around, say, 30 to 35 minutes, depending on that wait. So we're gonna hit clear, we're gonna shut this down, we're gonna open it up. And then here's what we wanna see though. Really, we wanna see that golden brown, that texture on it, and searing from edge to edge. I mean, that looks like a great cooked pork loin. Now, to the specifications, we're gonna let rest 15 minutes. We're gonna cut it open and check it out, okay? Thank you so much.